Alright, today's project is install a approach to this someday driveway. It's a very shallow ditch, but they require a culvert. And then I'll smooth out the road going back a little bit. It's pretty bumpy. It used to be a tree farm at one point until they harvested everything. So let me get this unloaded. I already staked out where the end should be in the low point of the ditch. And the stakes kind of serve a dual purpose. One, they can see the ends, and this is too far away from home for me to bring my little dump truck. It'd take me all day, 4 loads. So I'm going to have 2 loads delivered, and then when they dump, it won't roll the culvert backwards. It'll stay in place, hopefully. And let's hope nobody steals it before they get here. Well, let's wait for the gravel. Well, it looks like the truck started sinking a little bit delivering the gravel for this culvert. Couldn't dump it back far enough on the culvert. So my little trick with the pipes didn't hold, but that's okay. We'll get her straightened out. A little bit soft. We got a lot of rain here the other day. All this sand is just mush. had the tracks on because this was pretty soft up here. It was rock hard last week. And then we got about a couple inches of rain. So he says he can get up and down here no problem. Just trying to cut the right side out just a little bit because it leans. If he ever tries to come here in the winter, it's going to slide off. As we approach, you can see the flatness and the little humpy, and then back down to the road. So water will go left and it'll go right and it won't sit in the middle. Turned out pretty good. Still kind of soft, but I packed it as much as I could. The middle's pretty good anyway. I don't know what this soil is. It's kind of a mixture of sand and dust. I don't know. I'm afraid if I dig too deep, there won't be enough base there to be able to drive back up and down it. But the side-to-side potholes are gone, so he should be able to keep his teeth for a couple more years. And that side of the hill was just fine. Little sand right in the middle. I almost couldn't get up it. It's crazy. Stuff is so soft. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go to the next one. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.